Let's take a look at the way a person with dementia and or a history of stroke gets out of this golf cart. I'm a physical therapist with a doctorate in my field and 14 years experience treating geriatric patients in home health care, just like the President of the United States. You notice how that right leg just flops toward the ground? It's because there's weakness in the hamstring in his right leg as a result of a stroke on the left side of his brain, which would cause weakness on the contralateral side of his body and also affect his language capability. Next thing you see happen is a very abbreviated step with the left leg. The reason that step is so short is because he does not trust his right leg to hold up his body weight effectively. One of the things we analyze as physical therapists regarding gait of a patient is step length. When steps are shortened in length, it's because the contralateral side is being favored. When a patient does not have confidence that one of their legs will hold them up, they will take a shorter step with the contralateral side to shorten what is known as the stance phase in walking. In normal gait, when you're walking, stance phase is when one of your legs fully supports your body weight just for a moment. But if there is any pathology with that limb, it can shorten the stance phase, it can affect the posture of the rest of your body through the stance phase, and it will give the appearance of somebody limping. This is most likely due to the fact that he's probably had a stroke or a series of TIAs. But it could also be due to general neuromotor decline as a result of frontotemporal dementia. Remember, his father passed away from dementia. They actually let Fred Trump come into the office for several years before he actually passed away. He had no idea where he was or what was going on, but it was a familiar setting to keep him from becoming combative. This is why he is surrounded by assholes that feed him lies about his approval rating, about the jobs numbers that they're not even going to release, and the price of typical items that you and I buy every day. They're literally lying to him to keep him from becoming agitated. Based on all the symptoms that he displays, which include possible heart failure, kidney disease, I'd say he's got 3 to 5 months left in the land of the living. Thank you for your attention to this matter.